Evergreen, Candid, New Trends in Icse Science for Class 4. The parts of a plant. Plants are living organisms. They are fixed to the soil. Plants also have many body parts. There are different kinds of plants. These plants differ in height, structure, and looks. Most of the plants grow in soil. Hence, we can divide the body of a plant into two main parts: root and shoot. Different parts of a plant.
The part of a plant.
Do you know what are minerals?
Roots. Types of roots. Roots.
Do you know what are minerals?
Air.
Materials and solutions.